This is an overview of the Xtreme Locator Administrative Control Panel. Once you log in, this is the first screen you'll see. And at the top, you see the account name and the account ID. These are important to you when submitting a support ticket. You will be asked to provide that information. We have links to news and so forth and some client resources. This is a direct link to the knowledge base where you'll find Xtreme Locator documentation. You can click here to submit a support ticket, and if you need to modify your billing information, this goes to our billing system. The menu on the left has all the administrative features of Xtreme Locator. Location Manager provides you with a way to edit your locations, add locations, delete all locations. That's something you want to be cautious about. You can also do a search for various fields, so you can find a dealer by name or search for any other things here that you want to search by. Specialty Manager, what we call specialties can be a product type, a service type that your dealers perform, that sort of thing. It allows you to search by specialty, so you can have a product locator using this feature. The Category Manager is a category of specialties, and this is not a functional searchable type of a field, but it will provide you with a way to group your specialties on the advanced search page, for example. The Field Manager allows you to modify fields. You can add fields, and we have a tutorial later on. I'll show you how to add fields, but you can see all the existing fields, and we recommend that you don't delete any of the default fields. You can disable them in the next module, which is Field Layouts. And Field Layouts is actually where you assign the fields to certain pages in Xtreme Locator. And we have a tutorial for that as well. Location Administrators allows you to create a username and password for others within your organization to modify certain of your dealers. So you could assign a regional manager to log in and only see the dealers that are assigned to him, or you could even allow your individual dealers to log in and modify their record. It requires a separate login form that you would have to put on your website somewhere. I'll get to that later on down the menu here. Statistics is an indication of the traffic you're getting through your locator. You can filter it by date. You can show how many results you want. This particular demo account doesn't have much activity. The other thing that's nice is you can click on a unit and you can see census data for a particular zip code area. So if you see a lot of searches in a zip code area where you don't have a dealer, you can see how many people are in that area, and you can make decisions regarding additional dealers. That might help you with that. Setup options is the big form where you set all the parameters for how your locator would behave, such as the search distance. That's the default distance that Xtreme Locator will look for. And all these fields are explained in the knowledge base. This area here is for the user interface, where you can change colors and fonts. And you can select sort mode. You can add functionality there to add additional things that will return results in a certain way. Map icons, we have optional map icons you can use, and you can always also create your own. So there's a lot of things within this form that you'll find helpful, and as I say, it explained in detail in the knowledge base. A code generator is a powerful feature that allows you to do any number of things as far as how to deploy a search form on your website. And we can export our data, our location data, or import our location data. The email broadcast will allow you to send emails through Xtreme Locator to all your dealers, and of course help connects you to the knowledge base as well. And you can change your password or contact support here. And as I said before, the Xtreme Locator knowledge base documentation has detailed explanation of all of these modules, and I think you'll find that quite helpful.